Very good evening to everyone and welcome to MD Sir and Chairperson Sayyeda Ma'am, esteemed teachers, parents and the beautiful audience in the debate of chemistry in CBSE competitive school Mohania Kaimur, the best and top ranked school in Mohania Kaimur. I am Mohammad Afsar Sami, BTech Aerospace Engineer. We are gathered here to open discussion in the debate of chemistry. So let's start the introduction of our 8 participants. Please introduce Aradhya. Second one, Srishti Sri. Third one, Aditi Singh. Fourth, okay. Fifth, Ashia Parveen. Sixth, Aditya Yadav. Seventh, Divyanshu Kumar. Eighth, Jyotish Kumar Singh. Participants are here and all of you are already introduced. So first of all, I tell you what type question. Okay, there are 3 types of question. Okay, first question will be MCQ and second question will be to define or explain. Okay, our third question will be very short type question. Okay, so all of you are okay. Let's start the debate. Okay. So MCQ, first type of question. First question for you. The molecular mass of Y is 74. 74. Y can be CaH2. Okay. Right answer. Good. Second question for Srishti. The atomicity of K2Cr2O7. Is the wrong answer. There is no option. Okay, option number 2. Okay, 2 option number 11, right answer. Okay, sorry. So next for Aditi. Question number 3. The molecular mass of X is 106. X can be. NaCl. NaCl is wrong answer. Okay. So first of all, I will give you in contestant. So anyone can answer this question. The molecular mass of X is 106. X can be. Please raise your hand. Raise your hand. And then. Okay, Aradhya, I think first serial your hand. So CaCO3. CaCO3 is also wrong answer. So now I will go in audience. Anyone can answer this question? Yes. Option number 3, Na2CO3. Okay, Na2CO3 is the right answer. Okay. If you add atomic mass of all the atoms, then you will get 106. Okay. So now next 4 company. The molecular mass of Z is 142. Z can be. If you need pen or paper, then please let me know. Bajrangi ji, please take some paper. 8 paper will be enough. Complete this question for you. Option number 2, calcium sulfate. Okay. Wrong answer. Option number 3, Na2CO3. Okay. Na2CO3 is the third. No. 142. No. Third is also wrong. Anyone in the audience? Anyone? Yes. Tell Jain Ansari. What is answer?
Option number 4.
Option number 4, yes. Option number 4 is the right answer. If you will add atomic mass of sodium, sulfur and oxygen, then you will get 142 exactly. Okay? So next question for Ashia. The symbol of chromium is, what is the symbol of chromium? CH, Cu, Cl, Cr. Option number 2, Cu is the wrong answer. Okay, tell. Option number 4, Cr. Cr is the right answer. Chromium. Okay. Symbol for chromium is Cr. Okay. 6th question for Aditya. Option number A, Al2O3. Al2O3 is the wrong answer. Okay, anyone in the participant? Yes, Asia. Option number C, AlCl3. Also wrong answer. Okay, so in the audience. Yes, please tell. I think you can't answer, so option number 4. Option number 4, yes. Option number 4 is the right answer. Please clap for him. That's enough. Okay. All noble gas molecules are. Question for you.
माइक दिया करो माइक.
Jyotish, please. Option number 4, both 1 and 2 is the wrong answer. Anyone in the participant? Asia, yes, please. Triatomic. Triatomic is the wrong answer. Okay, in the audience, anyone? In the audience, anyone can answer? Yes, Sundaram Pradhan.
Option number A.
Option number A, monoatomic. Yes, please. Clap for him. Okay, next question for Divyanshu. Divyanshu, okay. The molecular mass of X is 102. X can be
Option number 3.
Option number 3 is the right answer. Okay, next question for again Anandya. The formula for nuclei is option number 1 CaCl2. Okay, so I think anyone can answer.
D.
Option number D, Ca is the right answer. Okay, please telephone. Next question for Srishti.
माइक को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करिए आपस में, आप लोग ध्यान रखें उसको, एक ही जगह रखा हुआ है।
Next one. Okay. The valency of nitrogen in NH3 is option number 3 या answer 3. Option number 3. Option number 3 is the wrong answer. Okay, option number 2, 3. Option number 2, 3 is the right answer. Okay, NH3 in NH3. Okay, valency of nitrogen is 3. Okay, and valency of hydrogen is 1. Next question for Aditi. Please give mic to her. Okay. Next. The formula of ethanol is C2H5OH. What will be its molecular mass?
Sir, 334U.
34U. Wrong answer. Okay, anyone can answer? Yes, please.
4.
46U. Yeah, 146Z. Yes, right answer, please. Next question for Asia.
किसका नंबर सर? इनका नंबर पे था, पम्मी का।
पम्मी का, सॉरी पम्मी प्लीज।
रॉन्ग का सही बताइए ना अभी।
पम्मी दिस क्वेश्चन
बताओ।
ओके,
बोल बोल।
which among the following is not a postulate of Dalton atomic theory? Okay.
3.
You have enough time. 3. Atoms of same elements can combine in only one ratio to produce more than any one compound. Right answer, please play for us. Next question for us. The atomicity of Na2CO3 into 10H2O is. You can write or add more. Please pass mic.
है भाई, उधर एक चीज है।
Audience, please solve this question. Na2CO3 H2O. Option number A, 19 is the wrong answer. Okay, so in the participants, yes, Aditya. Option number C, right answer. Please correct for it. Next question for Aditya. The symbol of potassium is K. Okay, right answer. Next question for you. 15. Jyotish. Divyansu. Okay. Sorry? The valency of iron in Fe2O3 is 3. Option number 3 and 3. Okay, right answer. Please correct it. Okay, next question for
Option number 4.
option number 4.
माइक लिया करो कि क्या कर रहे हो?
Okay. If I didn't ask, then can't answer. Okay. It will be negative impact. So can't answer, please. Okay. Or don't answer.
अभी माइक एक
Okay.
जगह बढ़ाया करो. मेरा माइक कहीं
So the symbol of manganese is yes, Aditi.
Option number 2.
Option number 2 Mn. Okay, option number 2 is also wrong. So no. Now I will go in audience. Okay. Audience. Yes, Patel. Option number 3 Mn, right answer. Yes. Symbol of manganese is Mn. No issue, correct? But first letter will be capital. First letter should be capital, and then a small letter. Okay. So Mn. So MCQ question. MCQ type question will be over. Okay. Next question. Next question will be very short question. Okay. So this question for you, the ratio of the mass of MgCl2, magnesium chloride. What is the ratio mass of MgCl2? What's your name? Divyansu and Jyotish. Yes, please tell. 2:1. 2:1. 2:1 is the wrong answer. Okay. Yes, answer please.
2:2.
2:2. Why are you saying 2:2? You can say 1:1. 2:2 and 2 is divisible by 2, so both 2 will be cancelled and answer will be 1:1. So why are you saying 2:2? You can say 1:1. Okay, but your answer is wrong. Please, anyone? Yes. 8:27. 8:27 is also wrong answer. Okay. So anyone in the audience? Yes, you. Yeah. Sorry? 6:17. 6:17 is also wrong answer.
Sir.
Yes, please tell.
4:71.
Yes, 24:71 is the right answer. Okay. Please come forward. Next question for you. Yes, please answer.
24 ratio 5 ratio
24 ratio 5 ratio
5 ratio 16:1.
wrong answer. Yes,
24 ratio 5 ratio 17.
wrong answer. Yes, Aditya.
4 ratio 5 ratio 16.
Wrong answer. Anyone in the audience? Yes, you. Please answer.
24 ratio 5 ratio 16 ratio 1.
No. See. Carbon. Okay. There is a 2 atom of carbon atom. Okay. And hydrogen is 6. So mass of hydrogen will be 6. Okay. And 16. So 24 ratio 16 ratio 6 ratio 16. So final answer will be 12 ratio 3 ratio 8. Okay. So final answer is 12 ratio 3 ratio 8. Okay. Next question for Aditi.
ऊपर में जो हल्ला न करें, कैंडिडेट जो सेल्फ स्टडी कर रहे हैं ऊपर में कीप साइलेंट बैठ जाए.
Last answer. Okay.
ratio 6.
26 ratio 26 ratio 6 is the wrong answer. Okay. Yes, please tell.
20 ratio 16 ratio 1.
20 ratio
16 ratio 1.
16 ratio 1. Okay, right answer. Please tell us forward. Okay, next question for you, Papi, again. What is the molecular mass of FeSO4? This E should be small, okay? FeSO4 into 7H2O. Rest will be okay. This E is small, okay? FeSO4, iron sulfate, heptahydrate. The molecular mass of what is the molecular mass of FeSO4 into 7H2O? Sorry?
2736
2736
36
U means 2736 U. Wrong. Okay, anyone can answer in the participant? I told you now, don't give answer if I don't if I won't ask you now. Okay, Asia? Anyone in the participants? No one can answer? Yes, please tell. 317. 3172. 3172. Wrong answer. Anyone in the audience? Audience? No one can answer. Why? The molecular mass of iron sulfate decahydrate is 278 U. Okay. Mass of iron 56 U. Mass of sulfur 32 U. Mass of oxygen 16 U. There are 4 oxygen atoms, so 16 into 4, 64 U. And 7 water molecules. So mass of one water molecule is 18. So there is 7 water molecules. Okay. So 18 into 7, 126 U. So if you add all the atom of, okay, so you will got 278. Okay, 278. So answer will be 278 U. Please write note down. Okay, next question for Asia. Next question for Asia. Okay. 5. The ratio of mass of H2SO4. Audience, please solve. Don't whisper, huh? Asia, don't take too much time. Okay. 1 ratio. The ratio of the mass of H2SO4, not atomic molecular mass of H2SO4. The ratio of read carefully. One ratio 32. Only 1 ratio 32. Wrong answer. Yes, Aditi, please.
2 ratio 11 ratio 32.
2 ratio
11 ratio 32.
wrong answer. Again. Okay, I will go in audience. Yes, please tell. All these things.
1 ratio 16 ratio 32.
1 ratio 16 ratio 32 is the right answer. Please correct for it. Okay. So next question for Aditya. Okay. Tell the symbol and charge of the following ions. Okay. So this question will be repeated. Okay. Tell the symbol and charge of following ions. Okay. So rest of question will be same. Okay. Same type of question you will get. So please be careful. So cubic the Please tell. Please read carefully. The symbol and charge of the flowing ions. Okay. Don't take too much time. There is nothing to think. Okay. So if you can't answer, then you can say pass. Pass. Okay. Yes, Asya, please.
Repeat the symbol CU.
Okay, symbol CU charge positive, and what about valency? Valency 2, yes, right answer. Please clap for her. Okay, next question for you. What's your name, sorry? Divyanshu, 7 number. Okay. Divyanshu. 7 number, and question number 7 for you. Sulfide. Sulfide. Don't whisper, huh? Don't see my face, see your question. Okay, sulfide. So, yes, A, anything else?
Negative.
Wrong. Okay. Yes, Aditi, please tell.
Sample SL or
Symbol?
SL.
No, wrong answer. Okay, please.
SO
SO,
or charge negative.
charge, yes, there is no issue, charge negative. Okay,
SO or valency 3.
wrong answer. Yes, please. SO2 2 minus is also wrong answer. Okay, in the audience, anyone can answer? Yes, please tell.
SO3 होगा valence 2 negative.
SO3 2 minus. Please tell like this. Okay. Sulfide ion SO3 and 2 negative charge. So SO3 2 minus. Please tell. SO3 2 minus. 7. Now, next question for you, Jyotish. Question number 8 for participants. Number 8. Chromate.
So symbol was Cr, valency 3, positive charge.
Chromate. No, wrong. Yes, come in, please tell.
CR. CR.
Chromate, not yeah, wrong answer. Yes. Wrong answer. Yes.
CH.
No, wrong answer. Yes, Sundaram Patha.
C and O for valency 2 negative.
Yes, right answer. Please tell it. CRO 4 2 minus. Okay. Got it? Next question for you. Got it. Symbol AU, okay? Yes, positive charge. Yes, valency third right answer. Okay, please collect for us. Super. Next question for you. Fast fight.
P4 minus. P3 minus.
P3 minus या P4 minus?
P3 minus.
P3 minus. Okay, right answer. Please collect for us. Okay. 11 number for you, Aditi. Acetate. Don't whisper. Okay.
Symbol A. Charge negative. Symbol AC, charge negative.
Wrong answer. Yes, please.
CH3COO minus.
Yes, right answer. Please collect for us. CH3COO minus. Okay, is the right answer. Acetate. Next question for Pammi.
S3 negative charge.
S3.
S
Okay, first please tell symbol. Symbol of the fight.
S2 और हो जाएगा
S2.
हाँ नेगेटिव चार्ज.
S2 minus.
हाँ,
S2 minus. Okay, right answer. Please play for us. Okay, colorate. Colorate.
CL3 negative.
C.
CH3 negative.
CS3 negative. Wrong answer. Okay, in the participant. Yes, please.
CLO3 minus.
Yes, right answer. Please collect for us. Next question for Aditya. Yes. Alembic. PN4 minus is a wrong answer. Okay. Yes, please tell.
PB minus.
Yes, PP minus. No, PP minus is the wrong answer. Yes, please tell.
PB4 minus.
PB, please write your answer. I will say. Right.
PB4.
Please write. I will say. PB4 minus wrong answer. Okay. Yes. PB4 positive is the right answer. Please clap for. Okay. Bisulfite. Yes, please tell.
Minus.
G. Sorry.
E2 minus.
Bisulfite. No. Yes, please.
HSO3
HSO3. And what about charge?
minus.
Minus.
Only negative 1.
Minus 1. Okay. Right answer, please clap for. Next question for Jyotish. Next and last question for you. For very short question. Magnet.
Symbol MA.
Symbol
MA.
MA. Okay.
Valence 3.
Valence 3.
Positive.
Positive. All wrong. Okay, so anyone in the participant? Yes, please. MnO3 2 minus is a wrong answer. In the participant? Yes, please. MnO4 2 minus right answer. Please tell me how. Okay, so now short question answer. Next and first question for you. State the law of conservation of mass and the law of constant proportion. Please speak in mic. Where is the mic? Yes.
Law of conservation of mass. It was given by
Yes.
Anthony Lavoisier in 1789. It is stated that mass can neither be created nor destroyed in chemical reaction.
Yes. And the law of constant proportion.
It was given by Anthony Lavoisier.
Not Anthony Lavoisier.
Joseph Prost.
Yes.
It is stated that a chemical compound always contain the same element combined together with a fixed ratio by mass.
Yes. Right answer. Please clarify. Hi. Next question for you, Srishti. Tell the first three postulates of Dalton's atomic theory.
All matters are composed of very small individual particles called atoms.
Yes, first and second.
Atoms can neither be created nor be destroyed in a chemical reaction.
Yes.
The third one is atoms of same elements are identical in mass and in chemical properties.
Yes, right answer. Please clap for her. Okay, next question for you, Aditi. Tell the last three postulates of Dalton atomic theory. Go.
Atoms always contains the same element. The atoms in different elements are different in mass and different in chemical properties.
Yes.
Fifth, atoms of whole numbers are
Yes, yes, please. Okay, yes, please.
Atom of different element and different mass
Yes, please speak in English.
atom of different element and different mass and different in chemical properties.
Okay, fifth.
Fifth,
Yes.
atom always combine in a simple whole number to form of a chemical properties.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Okay. Six.
The relative number and kinds of atom and constant in given
Are constant in a given compound. Okay. Anyone can? Again, yes. Yes, please come in.
Atoms of different element are in different in mass and chemical properties.
Yes.
Atoms always combine in a simple whole number to form compounds. The
Yes.
relative numbers and kinds of atom are constant in a given compound.
Yes. Okay. You also say right answer no you. Little bit confusion. So next question for you. Amit. Okay, please.
The number of present in a molecules is called atomicity. Valency combine.
Please tell me again.
Valency.
Yes, yes, please. tell.
Combining capacity of an atom is called valency.
Okay, valency. Yes, okay, right. Combining capacity of.
The number of atoms present in a molecules is called atomicity.
Yes, right answer. Please tell us what. Okay, next question for Ashiya. Define atomic mass unit. Mass unit.
Atomic mass unit is defined as the 1/12 of the atomic mass CO12 of isotopes.
Sorry, please again.
Atomic mass unit is defined as a 1/12 mass of atom and carbon 12 of isotopes.
Okay, but not too much clear. So, anyone in the participant can tell atomic mass unit? Okay, yes.
The atomic mass unit is defined as 1/12 of mass in mass of carbon 12 of C12.
Yes, you can say carbon 12 isotopes. No issue. Okay, C or carbon, no issue. Okay, carbon 12 isotopes. Okay, good. Next question for Aditya. What is an ion? Explain the types of ion with examples.
The electrically charged of atom and group of atom is called ions. Example में सोडियम, मैग्नीशियम, क्लोरीन.
Yes, Na plus sodium है ना, Mg2 plus magnesium, chlorine ion है ना, Cl minus. Okay.
There are two types of ions, anions and cations. Anions. The negative charge of ions is called anions. Example में chlorine. Or the positive charge of ions is called cations. एग्जाम्पल में सोडियम मैग्नीशियम।
Yes, right answer. Please clap for him. Aditya. Okay, next question for you. Which postulate of Dalton's atomic theory can explain the law of infinite proportions and law of conservation of mass?
All matter are composed very small individual particles. It was Leverrier.
Okay. The participant, yes, please. Aditya.
It is given by Joseph
No,
Brown.
not the different person. Please see the question. Which postulate of Dalton's atomic theory can explain the law of different proportions and law of conservation of mass? Okay. Read the question.
The atoms of all metals, whether an element, compound or mixture composed every small.
No. Okay. Yes, Nadia.
Law of conservation of mass.
Yeah, here same thing is written. So why is it law of conservation of mass? Yes.
Dalton's atomic theory's fifth number postulate says the definite proportion. All atoms always combine in a simple whole number to make a compound. And the law of conservation of mass says the second one, like atoms can neither be created nor be destroyed.
Yeah, law of conservation of mass is okay, but law of definite proportion was not right. So anyone can modify. Yes, please. Aradhya.
The different kind of atom are different in mass and different in chemical.
No. Yes, please pass.
Second, atom can neither be created
No. Law of conservation of mass was okay. What was law of definite proportion? Please tell what law of definite proportion. Which postulates of Dalton's atomic theory can explain the law of definite proportion?
all the matter, whether element, compound or
No. Wrong answer. Yes, please.
The third one, atom or
No, third one is also wrong answer. Okay, in the audience. In the audience. Yes, please. Oh,
AC, A6.
six postulate. Please tell what.
The relative number and ends of beta are constant in chemical compound.
Yes, right answer. Please clarify. Postulate. Okay. The relative number and kinds of atoms are constant in a given compound. Okay. Question number 8. 4. Define molecule.
Molecules is a smallest particle of element or compound which can exist independently under ordinary conditions. So all the properties of that element or compound.
Okay, not too much clear. Answer was a little bit okay. So anyone in the participant? Yes, Aditi, please.
The smallest particle of an element the smallest particle, the molecules can neither. The smallest particle of an element which can exist, element or compound which can exist independently under under the ordinary conditions and shows
Not quaternary, ordinary condition. No?
conditions and shows all the properties of that element and compounds.
Okay, anyone again? Yes, Aditya.
Molecules is the smallest particle of element which exist independently under ordinary conditions. So all properties element and compound. Molecule is the smallest particle of element which exist independently under ordinary conditions. So that all properties element and compound.
Yes.
A molecule is the smallest particle of an atom which can exist under ordinary.
No. Molecule. How can molecule will be the smallest particle of atom?
Molecule, okay.
Okay, Aradhya, please.
Molecule is the smallest particle of element or compound in ordinary compound. The molecule is the smallest particle of an element or compound which can exist independently under ordinary condition of mass condition and shows all the properties of element or compound.
Yes, so all the properties of that elements or compound. Okay, good, right answer. 8. Okay, so again, 9. Question number 9 for you. What is an atom?
Atom is the smallest particle of an element which can exist independently, which may or may not exist independently and can take part in chemical reactions.
Yes, right answer. Okay, question number 10. What is atomicity? What is the atomicity of phosphorus and nitrogen?
The combining capacity of the total number of atoms present in a molecule is called atomicity.
What is the atomicity of phosphorus and nitrogen? I am talking about atomicity, not ratio. Okay, participant, anyone can answer? 22. 22, Rama. Yes, please tell. Yes, please tell him you also. I am talking about atomicity, not atomic number. Okay. No. Anyone is the participant? Yes, come please pass the mic.
फास्फोरस का 1 एटमॉस्फेरिक और नाइट्रोजन का 1 2 हो गया और एटमॉस्फेरिक का द नंबर ऑफ एटम प्रेजेंट इन अ मॉलिक्यूल इज कॉल्ड एटमॉस्फेरिक और एटमॉस्फेरिक फास्फोरस का 1 नाइट्रोजन का 1 तो दोनों मिला के 2
No, no. Okay. Anyone? You.
Atom is present in a molecule is called atomicity. Phosphorus and nitrogen में atomicity D होगा.
No. Anyone can answer? No. Okay, so what is atomicity? Atomicity is the total number of atoms present in a molecule is called atomicity. Okay, in phosphorus, there are 4 atoms of phosphorus. Okay, 4 atoms of phosphorus can combine to form one phosphorus molecule. So atomicity of phosphorus in phosphorus molecule is 4 and nitrogen 2. 2 atoms of nitrogen combine to form one nitrogen molecule. Okay. So Okay. Okay, anyone can answer this question? Last question. Okay. So, anyone can answer? Calculate the mass of one molecule of chlorine. Last question. If you answer, then please raise your hand. Please raise your hand. Yes, please. 35.5. Okay, you. 35.5. Okay, you. 35.5. You. 35.5. No. 35.5. Anyone in the audience? 35.5. You is the right answer or wrong? Right. Okay. I'm not agree. Calculate the mass of one molecule of chlorine. In one molecule of chlorine, there are 2 atoms of chlorine. Okay. So, mass of chlorine, one molecule of chlorine, mass of one molecule of chlorine will be 71 U. 35.5 into 2, 71 U. Okay. So, we will over here. Okay. Time is more than given time. So, we will over here and be prepared for your next debate. Okay. And thank you for everyone and for giving right answer, wrong answer, and for everyone and for preparation. Okay, sir, please, sir. Okay.